to update microwave link stations that are on the map from an ASCII file. So the idea, in case you have, I can show you when you import from an ASCII file microwave links. If you have microwave links already present on the map, it's possible to update some parameters from this feature. So instead of re-importing everything, you can say for link number 1, where we'll consider the station A has been moved and station B has a different power and so on. Currently, a license file, which is license.flick or network.flick, a license file is created in the installation folder of the application. But this is causing issues to some users, mainly administrations or armies, where the end user doesn't have any permission to create or add a file on the C drive and in any subfolder of the C drive, except the folders that are specific to the users, or the local app data or program data or something. So from now on, the license files from the next release, this is not the case for the current release in CRM, but for the next release, the license will be managed from the program data folder. This is generally an open folder where applications, not only HTZ, but other applications, will store some temporary files or configuration files. So there is no problem to add or remove files from there. So the license file, either for standalone licenses or network licenses, will be stored in the program data file folder. For new activation, this is made straightforward. In case an upgrade is made from a license already activated, so the license file will just be moved from the installation folder to the program data folder. And then if we send an upgrade of the license file, then this file will have to be copied in the program data folder and no more in the application folder. Export coverage. Okay, we have added a geo package format or raster format when we export results or 3D view. Okay, pink color. We can display in pink color in 3D view, formerly only other values different from the overlapping color were displayed. Connectivity map is loaded faster, we don't care. Export coverage, this could be interesting. When you export coverage, a result of any kind that is displayed on the map, either in ASCII grid, geo package, or geotiff. When or if you have stations on the map, we have added a CSV file containing this information: the station number, the call sign address, and the status if the station is activated or deactivated. I can show you. For example, if I export that coverage to a geotiff file, test geo. Okay. Then in test geo, use another one, test. So we have created a TIFF file here. I cannot see it, it's a geo reference. And we have here that file with the name, address, and status here. So we have one station deactivated and one station activated. This is a way to have a report associated with the coverage file that will list the stations that were used in the project at that time. Finally, action code. Just one new action code has been introduced related to CCTV coverage. This is a typical command line. I don't know if you have already seen something like that. So this is a BAT file text. where we specify location of the exe of the application, location of the project, admin code, action code number with options here. For that particular action code, 1000 means that we will consider all stations, but we could specify other numbers to say we would consider only broadcast stations or 4G stations and so on. And here, this is where the results will be exported. This action code is generating a KMZ file, okay, of the CCTV coverage. So I can show you here. This is where the file will be stored, and I just run it. Just need to double click. So HTZ is open. Stations are imported from an SQL database, and CCTV coverage will be performed. I hope, yeah. And then a file is generated. Okay, I just have clicked on that file. I don't have made anything else. And here in the Exchange folder, we have created that file here. Where you can say CCTV coverage with station information.